Here in beautiful San Mateo, California, just outside San Francisco. Here's now with a very, very special place.
Suruki Supermarket.
Yes, Suruki Supermarket, family business for, wow, a long time. Almost 50 years. Almost 50 years. Since 1975. We got a few more years ago to meet that 50-year anniversary. But talk with the owner. You're going to be meeting him right now. Maybe checking out some products and see what they have. You ready?
So, let's go.
All right. We're in heaven right now.
Yeah, we are very special place right here. So Suruki Market, San Mateo, San Francisco.
Right, just outside San Francisco. Here with the owner, Jimmy. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. Tell us about this business. I know it's named after your family name.
My father started this business in the mid-1970s. He started selling food out of the back of a truck. So he would go to all the Japanese communities in the surrounding areas, and he would, use telephone books to find Japanese families, and he would call them and ask them if they wanted anything delivered, and he would just meet them over at their house.
Right. What an incredible story. I know we kind of talked about it the other day. I can't imagine back then. I know you said like 1975 is when you started.
Yeah.
Here, I was talking to you earlier about the most popular names in Japan, right? So what is a Mike Smith in Japanese? Yamamoto. And Suzuki, right? Those are the popular names. So probably back then there were probably a lot in this area. Maybe I can't imagine what names he would probably start looking under to just find the clientele.
Exactly. Just find any Japanese name he could find.
That's incredible. And to humble beginnings, now you've got this wonderful business. We were here a few months ago, picked up a bunch of stuff to make some sushi with. Tell us about the fish that you get. And how often do your deliveries come in?
We get deliveries pretty much every day, all over the world. A lot of the fish that we're using is farmed, sustainable fishing. Bluefin is kind of endangered, so we use farmed bluefin.
Yeah.
We get fish from Indonesia, from Japan, from the East Coast, all over the place. We fillet some of the things come pre-filleted.
Okay.
But there are some fish that we have to fillet ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite fish that you bring in?
The bluefin tuna.
The bluefin tuna, right? Yeah.
Everybody's favorite.
Right, everybody's favorite. Do you eat a lot of that?
Oh, not too much. Yeah, but enough.
Yeah.
It's so rich that you just want to have a little bit to enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. And it seems like a lot of people that have access to it, they've been there and done that. They want to enjoy in smaller amounts now.
Yeah.
And that's true. All right, and I know we were here last time, and the incredible thing is there was a line coming in, wait outside the door around what time was it? Around 5 o'clock or so.
Oh yeah. Well, we never sell anything from the day before, so
right.
At 4 o'clock every day, everything goes half price. All the pre-cut sushi or pre-cut sashimi and sushi, and all the bentos that we make here, everything goes half price. So we get a huge crowd that comes in and buys everything up. Yeah.
We were coming in to get some stuff, as I mentioned. We saw a line coming in. I'm like, oh my goodness, this place. And we found out later, but there were so many people waiting outside to come in. Tell us about the beef selection as well. Do you have a lot of that beef?
We have Angus. We have Japanese Wagyu.
Okay.
Ribeye, short ribs.
What's the most popular cut in your opinion?
Probably the Wagyu shabu shabu.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that comes directly from Japan?
From Japan, yeah.
Okay.
And we also have American Wagyu, which is another popular one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite? Probably again the Japanese Wagyu, right?
Yeah, Japanese Wagyu is good, but that is also very rich too.
Very rich, right? That's horrible. Everything you love is so rich, right?
Yes.
Just everything in moderation, I guess, is what
Yes.
they say.
After starting the business in the truck, he started his own supermarket in Burlingame, California from 1980 to 1990. And then we moved to the San Mateo location in 1990.
So you guys have been here ever since?
Yeah, ever since.
Okay.
Yeah. When we first opened the store in Burlingame, that was the same year that I was born.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So I always kind of felt like I would be taking over the business, or keeping the business going in the family.
Okay.
Because my parents worked so hard, I didn't want to just let it go.
Yeah.
So I just decided this is my future.
That's amazing. That's really, really great to hear.
Yeah.
And I know you told me your mom's still involved with the business, right?
Yeah, she is.
That's awesome.
Yeah. She's in the office most of the time.
Yeah.
Taking care of the books.
That's great.
And my brother and my sister are also involved in the business.
Okay.
And we kind of run the floor over here.
Yeah. That's amazing. Well, we'd like to look around and kind of show us the highlights of
course.
what you guys carry.
Sure. So we just got some deliveries in today. Everybody's starting to stock in the mornings.
Right.
We have all of our pickled vegetables right over here.
Yeah.
All of our vegetables. We get matsutake, all kinds of different mushrooms.
Here, amazing. A selection of mushrooms, huh? I know you love mushrooms.
Yeah, mushroom I like it. This is we don't have it in Florida.
Right. I wish we had a selection like this. You want to move to Florida?
We need it.
Maybe one day.
You guys open up the
Yeah. We'll help you. We'll help you run it.
This product is coming from my hometown,
Really?
Tosa, Leihoku.
Wow.
From Kochi
From
Prefecture.
Kochi?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Here's from Kochi, Japan.
Good sake.
Yeah, and I was there with you a
Please
couple
try.
years ago to me. Yeah, get that one. Here, why don't you should sign a couple bottles. What do you say? And people are like, who's that?
I'm gonna sign this one. If people who buy this one, 50% discount, please.
Yeah, that'd be cool, right? Hotate. Everything's coming out, as you say. Oh, yeah. Looks beautiful right here. Look at this bluefin. Where are you guys getting your bluefin tuna from?
So our bluefin comes from farm from Spain.
From Spain, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
It's a really good quality bluefin.
Okay.
A lot of our customers, some customers, being in California, they're worried about, overfishing
Yeah.
and things like that. So we try to use more sustainable options.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
I know they're also farming in Mexico.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
another good product that we've seen. But I think that's the key, is finding sustainable product.
Yeah.
Everybody says, oh, you know what, especially a lot of sushi connoisseurs, you shouldn't eat farm products. Mm-hmm. If we didn't have farm products, we probably would have no chickens left around. We wouldn't have no more beef, no cows,
Yeah,
right?
you're right.
Especially no tuna, no salmon, no nothing.
Mm-hmm.
It's imperative that we enjoy the sustainable products.
Yes.
And if it's done respectably, man, let me tell you, it's all that matters.
Yeah.
And you're assured a good quality product, great tasting, and you're helping the environment and the whole, saving for generations, really.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my mom.
Oh, hi mom, how are you?
This is Mrs. Suruki,
Mrs.
the
Suruki,
founder.
Nice to meet you. Well, your son's giving us a tour. We're so happy to be here. The products look amazing. Yeah.
A little crowded today.
Yeah, a little crowded, but we've been around in some of the other markets and they don't look like this. And we were here a few months ago and we saw it and we bought some stuff. It was delicious. So congratulations on an amazing family business. And we told Jimmy, maybe you want to expand to Miami. Yeah, come to Miami. We'll open shop there and we'll take care of it for you. Something to think about, right?
So this is some nice bluefin from Spain.
That's beautiful.
Some chutoro.
Yes. Wow. Absolutely beautiful.
Well, these are just scraps.
Yeah. In this case, I'll take the scraps any day.
So this is one of our main cutters.
Okay.
These guys do all the sashimi every morning.
Nice.
So, you know, we've had to train up a lot of people, you know, during the pandemic because restaurants were closed.
Yeah.
We've had to train up a lot of our guys to start cutting sashimi.
Right.
Because the demand has increased so much.
That's amazing, huh?
So this is Wansan. He's one of our original guys. He's been working for our family for about 30 years. He was my father's right-hand man.
Wow.
And he continues to cut fish to this day.
Congratulations. Yes.
And Wansan, this is Hiroyuki Terada.
Nice to meet you.
Wansan, that's great. How's the Japanese? Better than mine. Better than mine. Yes.
So this is one of our more popular items, the bluefin otoro. So since this is the best, I would like Hiroyuki-san to cut it for me, and I want to see his technique.
Okay. All right, perfect.
It's already cut, so not too many techniques. Just so I'm gonna make sashimi. Yes. So I just need a little bit amount of this one. So first thing is just cut it to the bottom. So whichever we need, portion. Then you're gonna cut all the way down. And this one is not so much. This one. Okay. Done. This one. So you can trim out this one a little bit, but this one also you can eat it too. I like this one actually.
Yeah, I like it.
Myself.
Let's leave it on here, all right?
Leave it on. And in this case, you see the fiber is coming to this way, right? So we are going to cut this way. And then the sushi, the way actually we're going to do cut this way. So always what they call against the line. Yes. So sashimi. So first thing you can do a little bit trimming out. You're gonna make it nicer. The beginning, you can trimming out to nice in the edge, right? So I'm gonna couple pieces. I'm gonna cut, not too thick, not too thin. It depends how thicker you want, but just cut like that. Like this. So let's go to a 5 piece. Okay. So this edge is very important. So first you need to when you make it on saku, you need to make sure the edge is very sharp. So then after you cut into the sashimi piece, it looks very nice. Yes, this is very important to do that.
Okay, looks good.
That's it.
You want to taste a piece?
This is great, of course.
Okay.
Let me get some soy sauce.
So maybe I'm gonna put in the one is on the tray, daikon radish here, and then some greens here, right?
Yeah.
So then I'm gonna keep this one here. Right. I think it's a little bit adjustment. So put this one. This is very important to make it beautiful.
Very nice.
Yes.
Do you have any openings, Jimmy?
We're hiring.
I need a side job.
Side job, right?
Could be going to the main job this one.
Okay.
The YouTube side.
YouTube side, okay. Sounds
From
good.
tomorrow.
Onegaishimasu. Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you very much.
It was a nice opportunity to see you cut fish and see how a real professional does it.
You guys are doing.
Was already stuck, you know.
Yeah.
Making the broth already. So.
You made it easy for him. It became an easy job. Yeah, but wonderful to be here. Thank you so much for having us. Your products look amazing, as you guys saw earlier from the video, from the fish to the selection of the vegetables to the beef and all that. So many unique items. You guys got to stop by. And the best part is, Hiro-san, you're going to make something with some of these delicious products, right?
Yes, it's Saturday.
Yep.
I'm going to do something on the
Covenant.
friend house. So coming to here to pick up the some ingredients.
Yes.
And go make it to sushi then.
Right. So if you're free on Saturday, come on in, and if you're not, then
I'll try to make
we're
it.
gonna- Yeah, we'll make you proud. Hiro will make you proud. Much success to you going forward, Jimmy. Family business, it's amazing. You've been around for almost 50 years, and another 50 years or more. So congratulations.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Jimmy-san.
Thanks so much.
Kayoko-san. Kayoko-san.
Nice. I was gonna go back on the shelf. No,
I don't know the name.
no one's gonna buy it because who wrote this thing?
Oh, what it is?
Yeah, right. That's what they're gonna say.
Yeah,
Oh my God!
watching his channel all the time when I was in the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah, I just got here like last Sunday. So I was wondering if yeah. All right. One more. 1, 2. All right.
Thank you.
Hey, Arnold. Yeah,
Who's this guy? Are you famous? Are you someone famous?
I don't know.
of course he is.
Really? You watch him all the time?
We got, that's why I'm here. We're gonna
Oh,
get
yeah?
some of your rolls.
Yeah, this is
Oh, really? Actually, I'm the camera guy.
Oh yeah, I know.
You know?
Yeah, I know.
Do you mind being on YouTube? Is that cool?
Oh sure.
All right.
Sure. Yeah.
We just filmed something today, and you'll be part of that.
Just a film in this.
Yeah.
This stuff.
Last time you guys were in what's that, Faroe or something?
Faroe Islands, yeah.
Faroe Islands,
Oh,
yeah.
beautiful place.
I saw that. Well, most of it I watch all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you come to this shop.
No, actually, it's been a while. So I was in the Philippines for 2 years,
Wow.
Very nice.
and I
So you
just
just
got
got
back last Sunday.
Okay. So you live in around the area, though, right?
I live in Belmont.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it was.
Yeah, the
I
stuff
was
we just
like-
filmed something here. You'll see the video coming up, but the products here are top notch.